Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Roots Chia Seeds is probably one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients that can significantly boost your health and energy levels, making them an excellent addition to any diet for those seeking a natural and effective way to improve their overall well-being and vitality. Number 5. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Discover the joy of growing your own gourmet oyster mushrooms right in your kitchen. Our kit makes it incredibly simple to start your own indoor garden. Rest assured, our mushroom growing kit is completely organic and non-GMO. You can enjoy your harvest knowing it's pure and natural, ready for any dish. Experience the magic of rapid growth. With just a little water and indirect light, you can harvest delicious mushrooms in as little as 10 days. No green thumb needed. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience. Simply spray daily, and watch your mushrooms flourish indoors, all year round. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is beautifully packaged and makes a fantastic present for foodies, gardeners, and eco-conscious loved ones. It's a gift that keeps on giving. We're confident you'll love growing your own mushrooms. Made in the USA, our kit is guaranteed to grow, or we'll make it right. What we like? This kit offers an organic and non-GMO way to grow your own mushrooms indoors. It's designed for year-round cultivation and is incredibly easy to use, requiring just misting. If you're looking for a fun, educational, and rewarding indoor gardening project, especially as a unique gift, this is a great choice. What people say. Great product, I have been using it for a week and I can see the difference. I love this product, it is very healthy and I would recommend it to anyone. This is a great product for the price. Number 4. Smart Pressed Juice Pineapple Chia Cleanse. Introducing the Pineapple Chia Cleanse, a powerful blend designed to support your wellness journey. It's packed with prebiotic superfoods to nourish your gut. Experience the benefits of plant-based fiber, essential for digestive health. This formula helps you feel your best from the inside out. It also includes vegan probiotics and enzymes to further enhance your digestive system. Support your body's natural balance with these beneficial ingredients. This pineapple juice cleanse is suitable for both women and men. It's a simple and effective way to incorporate vital nutrients into your diet. Each bottle provides 30 servings, offering a convenient month-long supply. Enjoy a refreshing and healthy boost to your daily routine. What we like? This product provides a pineapple-flavored cleanse rich in prebiotic fiber and vegan probiotics. It's a plant-based option designed for both men and women seeking a convenient way to support their gut health. If you're looking for a tasty and easy way to incorporate digestive support into your routine, this is an excellent option. What people say. The seeds are very fresh and plump. They are a good source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. I like that they are organic and non-GMO. Number 3. FGO Organic Chia Seeds. Discover the natural goodness of our organic chia seeds. Sourced directly from Paraguay, they offer a pure, plant-based addition to your diet. These raw black chia seeds are carefully selected from Paraguay, ensuring premium quality. They are a fantastic source of plant-based nutrition. Enjoy the benefits of a superfood that aligns with your lifestyle. Our chia seeds are non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free for your peace of mind. Experience how easily they transform into a gel, making them perfect for smoothies, puddings, and more. They blend seamlessly into your favorite recipes. Incorporate this incredible superfood into your daily routine. It's a simple way to boost your intake of essential nutrients and support a healthy lifestyle. Each pack contains 8 ounces of these nutrient-rich seeds, providing a convenient supply for your kitchen. Packaging may vary, but the quality remains consistent. What we like? These are organic, raw black chia seeds sourced from Paraguay that gel easily. They are a natural, plant-based, non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free superfood. If you are looking for a versatile and easily digestible chia seed to add to your diet for general wellness, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The chia seeds are a great source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting digestive health and providing essential nutrients. These chia seeds are versatile and can be easily incorporated into various meals like smoothies, yogurt, and oatmeal, adding a nutritional boost without altering the taste significantly. The product comes in a resealable bag, which helps maintain freshness and make storage convenient. Number 2. Viva Naturals Organic Chia Seeds. Discover the power of nature with Viva Naturals Organic Chia Seeds. Packed with essential nutrients, they're a simple addition to your healthy lifestyle. Boost your intake of plant-based omega-3 fatty acids and vegan protein. These tiny seeds offer a mighty nutritional punch to support your well-being. Enjoy wholesome nutrition that fits your dietary needs. Our chia seeds are certified gluten-free and non-GMO, ensuring pure, natural goodness. Elevate your favorite meals with ease. Simply add them to your smoothies or salads for an extra boost of texture and nutrition. Indulge in a healthy and satisfying treat. They transform into a delightful chia pudding, perfect for breakfast or a snack. Get more of what you love with our convenient 2-pound bag. It's a great value, ensuring you always have these nutritional powerhouses on hand. What we like. This option provides organic chia seeds in a larger, 2 pounds bulk size, offering plant-based omega-3s and vegan protein. They are gluten-free and non-GMO, perfect for smoothies, salads, and chia pudding. If you consume chia seeds regularly and want a cost-effective, high-quality source for various culinary uses, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say. Great product, I use it for my morning smoothie and it thickens it up perfectly. I love adding these chia seeds to my yogurt and oatmeal. They provide a nice texture and are very filling. These chia seeds are a fantastic source of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. I feel healthier since I started incorporating them into my diet. Number 1. Spectrum Essentials Organic Chia Seed. Discover the simple, organic power of chia seeds. Packed with nutrients, they're a fantastic addition to your daily routine. These small but mighty seeds offer a wealth of health benefits. Easily incorporate them into your favorite meals and snacks. From smoothies to baked goods, they blend seamlessly into any recipe. Enjoy their versatility and nutritional boost. We believe in quality you can trust. Our chia seeds are organically grown and carefully processed for your well-being. Start your day right with a natural source of energy and fiber. It's a wholesome choice for a healthier lifestyle. What we like. This product features organic ground chia seeds, which can be easier to digest and absorb nutrients from. It's a convenient way to add the benefits of chia to your diet without needing to grind them yourself. If you prioritize ease of digestion and quick incorporation into meals like yogurt or oatmeal, this ground version is highly suitable. What people say. Great product, I use it for my morning smoothie and it thickens it up perfectly. I love adding these chia seeds to my yogurt and oatmeal. They provide a good source of fiber and omega-3s. These chia seeds are a fantastic addition to my diet. They are versatile and can be used in baking, puddings, or just sprinkled on top of salads. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.